Happy to right. What I have to share with you today is the latest withdrawal update from COTP, that is crypto over the counter trading platform, the Binance issue they are having, and the best advice so far. Alright, so you just need to stay tuned and follow me till the end of this video so that I can have the full update, so that I can have the full information at your so that I can have access to them, so that you know the next thing for you to do. All right, so but before I go further, I want to tell you that I've also prepared a document, a well detailed document on the latest update on COTP, and I will be analyzing this step by step, line by line to you. But before I go deep into this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you because ZETBULL Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, to let you know how to be financially free, secured, and settled with online investment platform opportunities. And also is a way whereby I share with you some of the ways whereby I have been making money online. Right, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. And also, if you are yet to do that, you can also just subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, set it to all notification, so that you'll be continually aware or get notified whenever I upload new training video like this. Okay, and also I would like you to know that ZETBULL Talk is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. So if you are pleased with any of my content here, you are also required to do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of the content here. All right, so that is that about that. So let's go to the business of the day. All right, I will be talking on the latest withdrawal updates from COTP, the Binance issue, and the best advice. So let me go through the documents that I've prepared for this video. All right, so now COTP update. COTP, the arbitrage platform that has thousands of users on edge. So right now, the funds of thousands of users are on edge. So it's either we get it back or we lose it. So that is just the bitter truth about the present situation, the present condition on COTP now. Now let me read further. Despite the nervousness of those who today try to withdraw their funds from the platform registered in Colorado under the name of Crypto's OTC Trading Platform Limited, and cannot do so due to the failure of the system that generates automatic codes and send them through SMS, there are very good news from what appears on the internet, elements that have made COTP come to light, and also the reliability of its operation. So we also know that the main problem of the withdrawal that we are facing now in COTP is from the SMS failure. The SMS code verification failure is what really caused the inability to make a withdrawal since over a week now. Okay, using the example published by the CoinDesk.com portal, cryptocurrency arbitrage operates as follows. A platform based on artificial intelligence allows constant purchase and sale operation of assets, especially cryptocurrency. This constant operation allows selling at higher price than the crypto is achieved in another market, generating high profitability and in a short time. Thousands of people around the world are waiting to find out if COTP was a scam. Fortunately for them, there are many signs that it is not. So I have been explaining what arbitrage trading means in many of my previous videos. So for the sake of those that are yet to know what it means, let me just say it like this. Let's assume there is a particular commodity a particular product that is being sold on different exchange or in different markets. So you can't be in all these markets at the same time. So here is where arbitrage comes in. So we are now talking about cryptocurrency markets, cryptocurrency exchanges. All right. So for instance, we have markets like Binance, we have Hotbit, we have KuCoin, we have Coinbase, and the rest. So, and for you to trade crypto, you are required to have an account with each of these platform. So now when you have an account with an arbitrage trading platform, then you have access to all the listed market exchange cryptocurrency exchange markets that are in affiliation with that particular arbitrage platform. So you have an account with Binance, you have an account with KuCoin, you have an account with Coinbase and the other market, just with your single registration with an arbitrage trading platform. So you can now capitalize on different price on the of a particular commodity on the market, so be your own profit at the end of the day after the accumulation. All right, so now a failure in companies that provide SMS codes together with a highly unstable market due to speculation meant that since May 12, 2022, COTP users could not withdraw money from the platform. Faced with such a situation and given that this type of investment has lent a lot so that fraudulent companies disappear once they have been sufficiently capitalized, the networks were flooded with negative comments and investors who trusted COTP continues to spend hours of complete anguish. So as I'm saying, another factors that leads to the inability to withdraw is the speculation, the market speculation and the unstable market that happened since last week. So we observed that the cryptocurrency fell greatly in price last week. Even USDT fell to like around 94 cents. So this will initiate many withdrawals. Many people will try to take away their money from many of their investments online, and it's going to surely reduce the liquidity for most financial institutions, in which COTP is not exempted. Now, faced with such situation and given this type of investment, so many people, they have negative comments, especially those that are yet to invest in COTP, that they are still analyzing or they have an ill feelings about it. So they will use this as an opportunity to sell ill things, to say negative comments about COTP, which will surely affect the company more and more, and it will surely cause panic in the hearts of all the investors. So even if COTP had at this time this possibility to positively restore its service of sending SMS code to register in the system of withdraw money, the instability caused by the panic generated by the fall of some stable cryptocurrencies, which caused several trillions of USDT, were sold after the announcement that two cryptos, Luna and UST, lost more than 80% of their value in few hours. So this is another problem. Because I am also a victim of the loss in Luna. I invested $26 and in less than 2 hours, everything, let me say in less than a day, 24 hours, everything returned to zero. So it will generate a wave of withdrawals and therefore a lack of liquidity. So this will surely send a message to everyone that has invested in cryptocurrency. Everyone would like to withdraw their money out to avoid further loss. Okay, so and it will surely affect every financial institution, every online investment, because USDT or the stable coins, they also have they are in charge, so they serve as a pegging for all other cryptocurrency. Some publications say that after that event, the panicked crowd sold more than 7 billion USDT. You can see that this is overwhelming. 7 billion USDT within how many hours? So what will happen if COTP today opens the possibility of withdrawing amid the uncertainty of the market? So if COTP should not allow everybody to withdraw now, I believe that everybody will want to withdraw. Let me say 90% of investors will like to withdraw at the same time, and it can affect the system. It can affect the stability of the system. So it will surely affect the stability of the system. You don't have to think about it too much. The people who have their money there will take it out immediately at the risk of losing it. That feeling is terrifying for anyone. So that is how it is. Searching the web, it can be seen that indeed the company documents exist. So we know about that. So, and that is not in news anymore. We know that COTP is duly registered in Colorado in the United States, and they have their certificate of incorporation, which gives them the access to carry out financial operation. So we know that they are doing well, and we have been enjoying this for some months now. Okay, Crypto arbitrage is reality. The platform operates with real document, that is, the company that created COTP exists, the system exists. Apparently, it is really a situation that has to do with the failure of the company that provide the SMS. So all these, they are just a matter of coincidence. The SMS failure and the market speculation, that is the fall of cryptocurrency, so they are just coincidence which led to the inability of investors to withdraw in COTP, that led to the inability of the system itself, or that is instability of the system itself rather. The company assures that the system will recover its rhythm in few days. Alright, so this is a green light. So our hope is revived. Our hope is revived. So let's just have a positive mind. We shouldn't be castigating this company, putting a negative comment about this company. And another thing that I would like to talk about is the issue with Binance. Due to our impatience, due to our negative comments, many of us have reported COTP to Binance, and for that reason, Binance has, I read a chat that Binance has blacklisted COTP. So this is another problem entirely. This is another problem entirely. If COTP is able to come up and if we are able to withdraw, will it sustain the platform? That is another question that we need to ask ourselves, and this is caused by negative reports caused from investors, panic, negative comments, reports that you sent to Binance. So it shouldn't be. So we are the cause of downfall of most of online investment platform, we investors. So though some other investment platforms might have their own hidden agenda, but because of our impatience, we used to give them the opportunity to run away with our money. So it shouldn't be. Whenever an investment platform, online investment platform, is having an issue, the best thing to do is to be patient. Let's wait for them to do whatever they tell us to do. And if after that they refuse to do that, or they are not communicating with us frequently again, then we can now do anything. We can report them to the authorities. But in this case, COTP, they are still messaging us, they are still giving us updates on daily basis. So I'm not expecting investors to go higher to Binance to report them. So now that they have been blacklisted, of what value will it be to us now? So, and here are copies of COTP wallets which we will all get paid from, in case anyone wants to follow. So I've tried to come up with all these wallets, so you can browse them, you can check them, so that you can know how much that COTP still have in all these wallets. So if they really want to have a rug pull, if they really want to run away, all these accounts should have been 0 USDT now. So they should have withdrawn everything. So it should have returned to 0 USDT, but we still have enough of money there, which shows that transaction is still going on, and we have a brighter future for a better and stronger company, COTP. So let's just keep our hope alive and let's do the required things. So there is a particular system notification now. So let me go to my COTP account to show you the system notification that we have since yesterday. So you just need to confirm, though it is written in Portuguese, but it's still about what I've been trying to explain since. The system notification is about what I've been saying since. So just click on my button, it will surely pop up now. Alright, system notification. So it means that they are still talking about the SMS company, and they still let me try to explain this because I've read the English translation. It means that everything will come back to normal by 22nd of May around 00 hours, or 22nd of May. So let's just make sure that we are ready and we are still trading. So you just need to click on confirm. Just click on confirm. So for that reason, I will still let me try to trade now. So let me try to trade now. So everything will surely come back to normal. Let me first see if I have any money from my team members. Okay, let me see if there is any income from them. Okay, I have $1 here. Receive. Let me go to level 2. Level 2. I have 6 cents. Let me go to level 3. Level 3, how much do I have there? Okay, I have 86 cents. Alright, so all together right now, all together right now, let me see how much I'm having. Okay, so click on transaction all. Network is somehow poor, so I'm having 450 USDT now, so I need to let me do some trades before I will go to the next thing. Okay, so you can see that the system excuse me, the system is still working normally and trades are still going on, and the market is getting a stability gradually. Okay, need competition for others, so you don't need to relent on trading, so just start trading so that by the time the withdrawal is opened, then you too can have additional money on your USDT there. Right, so you click on sell, confirm, immediate competition for others again. I will need to do this until my wallet balance is less than $5. Click on sell, click on sell, click on sell, click on sell, confirm, immediate competition for others, immediate competition on others again, sell, sell, sell. All right, so let's see how it goes. Confirm, and the last round, sell, sell, sell. So then confirm. All right, I think my balance is now less than $5. I have $2 there right now, so that is the end of the trade, and this will be I will be stopping here for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important so that you can be continually aware of the next updates. Subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Please don't spread the negative or fake news about COTP in the market, in the social media, and let's be hopeful that we will get our withdrawal as soon as possible. Thanks so much. Meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.